Most AI job listings are completely useless for beginners. I'm not exaggerating. Some of them literally filter you out before you even apply. Nobody talks about this. I analyzed over 200 AI jobs, and almost all of them are lying to beginners. Some of these jobs are not even publicly advertised clearly. Some of these roles don't even have clear job titles. They want experience, years of it. But then something didn't make sense. This shouldn't happen. If AI is the future, why are there almost no entry-level jobs? A few roles kept showing up again and again, quietly, almost hidden. Jobs you can start even as a beginner. No PhD, no 5 years of experience. And some of them pay between $40,000 and over $100,000 a year. Today, I'm sharing 4 of them with you. And one of them might surprise you the most. Real listings, real salaries, real entry points. Let me show you something. So here's how I found them. I searched for entry-level AI, junior AI, and no experience AI. Then I filtered for jobs posted in the last 60 days. Now, let me be clear about something important. The goal of this video is not to find jobs you can apply to tomorrow morning. The goal is to understand the market, to see what's out there, to spot the patterns. Because once you understand how the game works, you have the power to win. So I kept digging. Most results were completely useless. I realized something. Most of these listings are noise, not opportunity. But then a pattern appeared. And this is important. Almost all beginner-friendly AI roles had 3 things in common. Number 1, they require communication, not coding. Number 2, they involve working with AI outputs, not building models. Number 3, they value attention to detail more than technical skills. Everyone tells you to learn coding, but these jobs prove that's not always true. These 4 roles appeared the most. Here they are. Job number 1, AI prompt engineer. This surprised me the most during my research. The title sounds technical, but let me show you what it actually means. Imagine this. You type something simple into ChatGPT, and the AI gives you a weird, irrelevant, or completely wrong answer. A prompt engineer is the person who fixes that. You write a structured prompt that forces the AI to give a clear, step-by-step answer. It's like being a translator between humans and machines. Here's the interesting part. And this is where it gets crazy. The salary for these roles? Between $80,000 and $110,000 per year. Most entry-level prompt engineer roles don't require coding. What matters more is how you think, how you write, how you experiment. Let me show you what the actual job qualifications look like. Education, Bachelor of Arts or Science, or even just a high school degree. Experience, 0+ years with a degree or 4 years of relevant experience with a high school degree. And the required skills, excellent problem solving, strong communication. Notice something? No coding, no programming language required. If you love language and enjoy playing with AI tools, this could be your path. But this is not even the easiest one. Job number 2, AI content writer. If you've ever used ChatGPT, you've probably seen this. AI writes something that feels off. You read it, and it sounds like a robot trying to be human. Awkward sentences, mistakes, missing the point completely. Your job as an AI content writer is to fix that. You review AI-generated content. You correct grammar. You improve clarity. If you've ever corrected someone's writing, you already understand this job. Let me show you what the actual job posting looks like. Organization, align error, powered by Labelbox. Type, hourly contract, $20 to $40 per hour. Location, remote, commitment, flexible, asynchronous. Work on your own schedule. No AI or tech background needed. Just exceptional English writing skills and a methodical approach to quality. Review AI-generated content for clarity, structure, and effectiveness. Identify biases, inaccuracies, and awkward phrasing. Notice something? You don't need to be a developer, just writing. Strong command of English grammar, style, and tone. Ability to evaluate content critically and provide clear feedback. Bachelor's degree, preferred but not required. If you're good with words, this is one of the easiest entry points into AI. Now, this one is completely different. Job number 3, AI prompt designer for visual content. And this is where AI starts becoming scary. This one is completely different. Instead of working with text, you work with images and videos. Imagine watching a scene from a movie, a car driving at night, rain on the windshield, dark blue lighting, tense music. Now, describe it. Not like a normal person, like someone behind the camera. You describe the camera angle, the lighting, the mood, the pacing, the emotional tone. You're literally teaching machines how to see the world. No advanced coding required, just creativity and storytelling skills. Let me show you what the actual job posting looks like. Organization, aligner, type, hourly contract. Location, remote, commitment. Flexible, task-based, pay $30 to $50 per hour. Watch video clips and craft structured prompts that describe the full visual story. Describe characters, settings, camera angles, movement, and emotional tone. Strong writing skills with a talent for precise, evocative visual description, solid understanding of film language, shot types, camera movement, scene composition. Notice something again? No coding, no technical background, just film knowledge and writing. Companies like Aligner are actively hiring for this. Fully remote, flexible hours. This is the most creative role on this list. But the next one is where most beginners actually start. Job number 4, AI data labeler. Most people underestimate this job completely. This is one of the most common entry points into AI. Here's the reality. AI models don't magically understand the world. They learn from examples, but those examples need to be organized first. That's where you come in. Your job is to label and categorize data, images, text, or audio. For example, you might look at photos and label which ones contain a stop sign. I won't lie to you, most people quit this job in the first weeks, not because it's hard, but because it's repetitive. But that's exactly why it's accessible. This is how many AI professionals actually start. Let me show you what the actual job posting looks like. Salary range, $40,000 to $50,000 per year. Key responsibilities, review, label, and categorize images for AI model training. Bachelor's degree in any field. High attention to detail and ability to work with repetitive tasks. Notice something? It's more about thinking than programming. Just attention to detail. Companies like CaseGuard hire for this. This is the lowest barrier entry point, but it opens the door. So let's recap what we covered today. For AI jobs, you can start as a beginner. Number 1, AI prompt engineer, $80,000 to $110,000. No coding required. Number 2, AI content writer, $20 to $40 per hour. Just strong writing skills. Number 3, creative prompt designer for storytellers and visual thinkers. Number 4, AI data labeler, $40,000 to $50,000. The classic entry point, here's the hard truth. These jobs exist, but most people will never get them because they never even try. A few will actually act. Those are the ones who will win. Now, here's your action step. Pick one job from this list, just one. Go to LinkedIn, search for that role, find 3 real job postings, and write down the skills they require. This is your roadmap. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. These jobs won't disappear, but someone else will take your place.